Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn German with Gigi. Today we will continue to focus on numbers. You already know how to count from 0 to 20. Congratulations! Those were the most difficult numbers. From now on, everything is going to be easy. Let's get started. Today we will focus on the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, up to 100. We are going to deal with the isolated numbers 31, 32, 33 in another video. Let's get to it. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Maybe you already noticed it. We always have a combination of the isolated numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 with zig. That is very easy to remember. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Repeat those numbers over and over again. You see how fast you can learn how to count in German? You already know how to count from 0 to 20 and you already know the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Tschüss!